We begin with a well-deserved Christmas gift for more of Colorado's heroes. Frontline healthcare workers in Pueblo, Steamboat Springs, and Grand County get their first doses of the COVID vaccine. Merry Christmas Eve, everyone. I'm Jim Benneman. As the vaccine rollout continues, so does the debate over who should be next in line and where prison inmates fit in. CBS 4 investigator Katie Weiss on that story at the Capitol tonight. Very latest on what's been going on with that debate. Katie, Black leaders made their case in a letter to the governor this week.
Jim, this letter says that inmates should be getting the same priority to COVID vaccines as others who live in congregate settings like homeless shelters and college dorms.
Their sentence should not be a death sentence.
State Representative Leslie Herod and other members of the Black Caucus, along with leaders in the Black faith community, are hoping Governor Polis will change his mind again after he went back on an initial decision earlier this month to prioritize COVID vaccines for inmates.
When you factor in the congregate living that they do live in and the inability to adequately socially isolate, that makes inmates in a correctional facility at higher risk, and therefore they should be prioritized for the vaccination as such.
State data shows more than 6,000 inmates have tested positive for the coronavirus since the start of the pandemic. That's out of an estimated 28,000 inmates currently in Colorado. 22 inmates have died from COVID.
Myself and members of the Black Caucus received a lot of letters from family members who were afraid for their loved one who was incarcerated.
Currently, there's a 3-phase timeline for vaccine distribution. Herod says prisoners should be in between phase 2 and phase 3, meaning they should be given the vaccine after people over 65, but before the rest of the public.
I think it's a false equivalency to say that we are asking for the vaccine to be given to inmates before, say, someone's grandma or something like that. That's actually not what we're saying.
But opponents say only inmates who are immunocompromised or 65 and older should get priority vaccines, not young, healthy inmates.
The issue isn't whether or not certain folks can get infected. The only issue is, will those infected be at higher risk for death?
18th Judicial District Attorney George Brockler has been vocal about the issue this month.
I would much rather vaccinate Santa Claus, who's elderly, than the young porch pirates who steal gifts off of your front porch.
And so far, 7 states have reportedly prioritized COVID vaccines for inmates. I've reached out to the governor's office about this letter, but so far I've not heard back. Reporting live at the Capitol, I'm Katie Weiss, covering Colorado First.